Good morning students. Beta, we have completed up to question number 4 of 12.1 and today I am going to start question number 5 of exercise 12.1. Look there, you have to simplify this. This is the given condition. So beta, what is here? Powers are same. So write it like this. If power are same, then we can write the same only once time the power is there and multiply the base. So it is what? It is 40 raised to the power 3. What is the 4 raised to the power 3? 64 and 3 zeros, because 3 times zeros. This is the answer. In this way you can do it. Now I am going to do this part. Now question number 6. What is given beta? In this 6 raised to the power 3 into 2 raised to the power 3 divided by 8 raised to the power 7. So beta, whenever you solve these types of questions, so try to write the complete in the powers of prime number. Just like 6 raised to the power 6 is what? Or you can write like this, take the combined power 6 into 2 whole raised to the power 3 divided by 8 raised to the power 7. This is what? 6 to the 12 raised to the power 3 upon 2 raised to the power 3 is the 8. Replace 8 by 2 का क्यूब होता है ना 8 into 7. This is what? 12 into 12 into 12 and divided by, or you can take 8 into 8 into 8, because both can be 8 raised to the power 7 है ना ये. So it is 8 into 8 into 8 7 times. So whatever be the cancel to each other, 2 to the 4, 2 to 4 to 6 और एक और 8 आ जाएगा into 8. तो ये क्या आ जाएगा? 4 2 जा 8, 4 3 जा 12, 4 2 जा 8, 4 3 जा 12, 4 2 जा 8, 4 3 जा 12. तो what is it? 3 into 3 into 3 upon 2 to the 4 2 जा 8. 8 1 8 is this and 1 2 3 4 is there. 4 8. तो बेटा ये आ जाएगा, क्या आएगा बेटे? 3 into 3 into 3 27 upon 8 1 1 2 3 4 5 8 raised to the power 5. तो what is it? 27 और convert 8 into 2 raised to the power 3 raised to the power 5. 3 into 5. So it will be 27 upon 2 raised to the power 15. This is the, I think, answer. ठीक है बेटा? 3 raised to the power 3, 27 लिखो और 3 raised to the power 3 लिखो, no problem. This is the answer. So in this way you can solve it. Now question number 7. Beta, what is given? 5 raised to the power minus 1, or you can read it 5 inverse, 7 inverse, 6 inverse. We can call minus 1 power as inverse. So what is it? Write it like this. 5 raised to the power minus 1, 1 by 5 plus 1 by 7 minus 1 by 6 divide by 30 raised to the power minus 1, 1 by 30. So what you should do? Take the LCM. What is the LCM of this? LCM of this is 5, 7, 6. LCM is 210. And what comes here? When you divide it, this will be 42. This will be 7 3 is 21, 30. And 210 is what? Minus 35. 6 5 is 30. 6 3 is, yes, into when you change divide into is this is also reciprocal 30 by 1. So what is now 42 plus 30 minus 75? It will be 37 by 210 and into 30. तो what is it? ये कैंसिल कर दो 7 पे. 37 by 7 is the answer. In this way you can complete the 7th question. Now question number 8. In this 2 raised to the power 7 plus m divided by 2 raised to the power minus 15 is equal to 2 raised to the power minus 18. What is in this beta? Base are equal throughout. So collect these power and put it equal to this, then equate the power. देखो like this, 2 raised to the power 7 plus m divide. When divide sign is there, then subtract the power. Minus 15 minus whenever bases are same and sign of division is there, then subtract the powers, is equal to 2 raised to the power minus 18. So what is it? 2 raised to the power 7 plus 5, 12 plus 15 minus into minus plus is equal to this. Now both base are equal, then power should be equal. m था बेटे, 5 लिख दिया मैंने, सॉरी. 7 plus m. तो what is it? 7 plus m plus 15. Find the value of m. Solve करना है. Now what is it? 7 plus m plus 15 is equal to minus 18. Now find the value of m. m is equal to 15 plus 7 is 22. So minus 22 on that side, minus 18. So m is what? 22 plus 10, 32 plus 8, 40. This is the answer. In this way, you can solve these questions in which all the bases are same and powers are different. Yes, beta. Now question number 8. What is in this? 7 divided by 8 raised to the power minus 1. This is equal to 7 by 8 raised to the power minus 1 minus 7 by 6 divided by minus raised to the power minus 1 whole raised to the power minus 2 divided by 6 by 8 raised to the power minus 6. Now get the reciprocal of this. 7 by 8 raised to the power minus 1 is 8 by 7 minus 6 by 7, because minus 1 power means take the multiplicative inverse. Whole raised to the power minus 2 divided by 8 by 6 whole raised to the power 6. Take the reciprocal and cancel it if possible. 2 4 is 8, 2 3 is 6. So in next step I will write 4 by 3. What is it? 7 is the LCM and 8 minus 6 is what? 2. 2 by 7 raised to the power minus 2 divided by 4 by 3 raised to the power 6. What is this now? This is equal to, again take the reciprocal, 7 by 2 raised to the power 2 डिवाइड इनटू, डिवाइड को मल्टीप्लाई में चेंज करते हैं बेटे. देन टेक द रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ दिस, 3 by 4 रेज टू द पावर 6. तो व्हाट इज इट नाउ? 7 by 2 इंटू 7 by 2 और ये क्या हो जाएगा? इंटू 3 by 4 इंटू 3 by 4 इंटू 3 by 4, 6 टाइम्स. 6 टाइम्स तो ये यहाँ तक आ जाएगा. दिस इज, व्हाट इज द आंसर नाउ? मल्टीप्लाई ऑल दीज. दिस आंसर इज व्हाट? 7 raised to the power 2, 3 1 2 3, ये तो एज इट इज लिख देते, 3 रेज टू द पावर 6, 2 रेज टू द पावर 2 तो ये है, और व्हाट इज इट 1 2 3, ये तो 6 ही है बेटा। 4 रेज टू द पावर 6 मीन्स 2 रेज टू द पावर 2 इंटू 6, तो क्या आंसर आ जाएगा 7 रेज टू द पावर 2 इंटू 3 रेज टू द पावर 6 upon 2 raised to the power 14. This is the answer. When power are so large, then don't try to open that. You just write like this. You can write like this also. No need to open it. Simply आप इसको ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो कि 7 raised to the power 2 upon 2 raised to the power 2 into 3 raised to the power 6, और ये क्या है 4 raised to the power 6. This is what, ये क्या है 2 रेज टू द पावर 2, 4 को आप लिखो 2 रेज टू द पावर 2 और 6 एज इट इज. नाउ यू कैन राइट द आंसर 7 2 इंटू 3 रेज टू द पावर 6 अपॉन 6 2 ज़ा 12 और 2 ये 2 रेज टू द पावर 14, 12 दिस and 2 this, product is there, so 2 plus 12 is 14. In this way you can write the answer. Beta, it is question number 9. Change this question number also. It is question number 9. Now we are going to solve question number 10. Now beta, question number 10. What is in this? Prove that this equal to this. Answer of this should be equal to answer of this. So let us solve this. Left hand side. What is it? 8 by 14. Raised to the power 4 and then all raised to the power minus 7. This can be written as 4 2 ja 8, 2 4 ja 8 and 2 7 ja 14. 4 by 7 whole raised to the power 4 and then minus 7. What is it? 4 by 7 raised to the power 4 minus 7, this will be 4 by 7 raised to the power, this one is 4 by 7 raised to the power 7 4 ja 28 minus 28. So answer of this is what? This side is 7 by 4 raised to the power 28. Take the reciprocal because negative sign is there. And no need to open so much large power. Now solve this side, right hand side. This is 4 by 7 raised to the power minus 56 into 1 by 2. So what is it? 4 by 7, 2 28 is 56 raised to the power minus 28. A minus power is there, so write it 7 by 4 raised to the power 28. So in this way left hand side is equal to right hand side. So beta, we completed up to question number 10. And now look at the question number 11. Question number 11 beta. Prove that this side is equal to this side. Answer of both is same. What is it? Minus 5 raised to the power 5 divided by minus 3 raised to the power 5. And I am taking this side, left hand side. Minus raised to the power odd number is what? Minus 5 raised to the power 5. And minus raised to the power 5 again minus 3 raised to the power 5. Minus to minus cancel. 5 by 3 raised to the power right 5. Because whenever powers are same, we can write them whole power. This side is what? Right hand side. ये तो है 5 by 3 raised to the power 5 and this is equal to left hand side. So this is the, we prove that this answer of this side and answer of right hand side is also same. तो बेटे यू कंप्लीटेड क्वेश्चन नंबर अप टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. All the questions I have solved here. Now some MCQs are there. We will discuss in next class all these. Till then, bye. Thank you bete. Take care of yourself and must practice all these parts. This is my aim. Only your practice. Without your practice, we can't achieve our goal. Thank you. Have a nice day.